Now, if you turn your piece of paper over to the back side, you'll see where we're going to be taking notes today. We're going to learn 4 of these words in detail, and the word and the part of speech is written in that first column, like it always is. Then, in the second column, I have the explanation or synonym of the word. This is what the word means. And in the third column, we have a showing sentence, a sentence where I'm using the word. Notice that the sentences have words that have been blanked out. As I talk, I want you to fill in the blanks with the words that I say, so you have the notes for what the words mean for your writing assignment later today. The last box that says oral task, and this is, well, so you don't have to take notes on that one. This is just for you to practice using your voice with your table. For the vocabulary lecture, you cannot talk at all. I need everybody to be able to hear me. Are there any questions? Let's do the second word. The second word is also a verb. The word is eliminate. This is an action word, just like permit. It's pronounced eliminate. Everyone? Eliminate. Eliminate means to remove, exclude, or get rid of. To remove or exclude or get rid of. So everybody knows that I'm a vegetarian, and many years ago when I was 18, I decided to eliminate meat from my diet. I decided to remove all the meat from my diet, and I don't eat meat anymore. I have eliminated the meat from what I eat. Here's another sentence. The coach wanted to let all interested students play on the team, so she eliminated tryouts. The coach wanted to let all interested students play on the team, so she eliminated tryouts. Instead of seeing who was the best at soccer and only letting the really good people play, the coach wanted everybody to be there, so the coach had to eliminate or get rid of the tryouts. Here's your oral task. If I wanted to be healthier, I could eliminate blank from my diet, and you'll need a noun, a thing. So think of something you eat that's not so healthy, or something you drink, and you're going to use that to finish the sentence. For example, I could say, if I wanted to be healthier, I could eliminate coffee from my diet. Ones, you're first.
If I wanted to be healthier, I could eliminate soda from my diet.
If I wanted to be healthy, I would eliminate hot Cheetos from my diet.
If I wanted to be healthier, I could eliminate Cheetos from my diet.
All right, last word. The last word is a noun, and the word is pronounced portion. I want you to look at the ending of that word, see the ION on it, and that shows us it's a noun or a thing. The word is pronounced portion. Everyone? Portion. Portion has 2 meanings. Number 1, a portion can be a small piece or section of a larger thing. A small piece or section of a larger thing. For example, I got paid a couple weeks ago, and I decided to take a portion or a piece of my paycheck and take my husband out to dinner at a restaurant he really wanted to go to. I used a portion of my check to pay for that. Number 2, a portion can also be a serving of food. A serving of food. For example, when you go on Wednesdays and you get pizza in the cafeteria for lunch, they usually give you just one, everyone? Portion of that pizza. Let's look at the sentences. Number 1, I put a portion of my allowance in a savings bank each month. I put a portion of my allowance in a savings bank each month. My parents gave me $20. I took 5 of those dollars and I put it in the bank because I'm saving up to buy a bicycle. Number 2, the restaurant serves large portions of meat and potatoes. The restaurant serves large portions of meat and potatoes. I sat at the table and they gave me this enormous plate of meat with like 5 potatoes, and I thought, wow, I can't eat such a big, everyone, portion. Here's your oral task. For dinner, we usually eat at least 1 portion of blank. Think about what you eat for dinner. For example, for dinner, we usually eat 1 portion of salad. Go ahead, ones.
We usually eat at least 1 portion of meat.
For dinner, we usually eat at least a portion of fruit.
For dinner, we usually eat at least 1 portion of chicken.
For dinner, we usually eat 1 portion of meat.
For dinner, we usually eat at least 1 portion of bread.
All right, excellent job.